So in the last video, we set up and solved for the minimum number of employees. So let's go and let's take a look at these constraints here. This is the only constraint I have in that problem. So I need 17 employees, and I'm using 17 employees, so this is a binding constraint. And we're going to Control C, because we're going to be copying this over. So I look, Tuesday, I need 14 employees. Have 14 employees, that is a binding constraint. Same thing for Wednesday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So remember, binding constraints are when we use up all of the constraint. So in this case, we made it to the minimum threshold on everything, and so we're bound on that point. If we change these minimum thresholds, that would change the answer. This one is different. This is our non-binding constraint. So if we change the threshold on this, it's not really going to change the problem unless we change this threshold upward by more than 5. So the non-binding constraint, this is the one that we have wiggle room in. That wiggle room is called slack. So we've got 5 employees of slack there. So given all of this, what is the schedule look like? Well, the schedule looks like we have 6 people that start on Monday, 4 that start on Tuesday, 2 that start on Wednesday, 7 that start on Thursday. Nobody starts on Friday or Sunday, and then we have 4 starting on Saturday. So given that Thursday is the only non-binding day of the week, we have an excess of 5 employees, that would be the night that we'd recommend having a trivia night because we'd want to leverage those extra available employees. And that's kind of where the analysis part comes in with any of this stuff, is running things and then taking a look at what you can do with the resources. Now, it could be something as simple as, I know in the last example, we had looked at the shadow price and saw how much we could change prices before things change. In this case, we have a people resource, and how much can we change the people resource before the whole equation changes. So we've got extra people resources here, so why not use them? Okay, and so that is how we use linear programming to do scheduling with a scheduling matrix. If you have any questions, please let me know. Otherwise, I'll see you guys in the next video.